most people use horizontal form as a sign-up form, and whether they use it in the page or as a pop-up form, most designers and more marketers use this horizontal form as a sign-up. Usually, it's just composed of email and name, and sometimes they just use email. So that when people sign up, it will automatically register to the email marketing services like iContact, like MailChimp, Weber. So horizontal form is usually useful in that format if you will only collect email and name, or just at least email. If you haven't subscribed yet to my videos, click the subscribe button and check the videos that I link below in this short, and learn how to make a horizontal form.